Was technology meant to be a gift or a curse? There is an unpopular saying that the advancement we see in today's world is as a result of war and the need for the elite to conquer the masses. War is the first sponsor of innovations. While the world was in the industrial age between the year 1900 and 1970, saw us grow intensively in the field of technology. Thomas Edison is famous for the invention of the electric incandescent bulb, the direct current, and more. You see, the direct current was used in the process of lighting up the incandescent bulb using batteries connected together. The more bulbs to be powered, the more batteries it needs. Thomas Edison knew he had a major setback with his invention. There was no way back then to convert the DC voltage to a higher value or a lower value, making it safe for use in homes and factories, but he was open to finding a solution for this major challenge. He turned to Nikola Tesla, who was at that time one of his employees, and promised Tesla some huge compensation if he was able to crack his challenge. Nikola Tesla, with a background in mathematics, instead of redesigning the current DC system, he refined the AC system, which was already developed in principle by Michael Faraday in the early 19th century. Tesla believed that using transformers, voltage could be raised or lowered, enabling energy to be transmitted over long distances using lower currents and making it more efficient and consumer-friendly for use in homes and factories. However, Edison did not like this idea because he had a lot of investment and patents related to DC's current and sought out to kill Nikola Tesla's idea. This led to one of the world's biggest feud in history. Thomas Edison would launch a propaganda campaign to discredit the AC system and convince the public it was dangerous. Why fight for monopoly and dominance? In today's economy, there are both markets for AC and DC systems, but Edison was so engrossed in his patents and monetary benefits, he failed to realize that both can go hand in hand. In another video, I will talk about a much similar feud between Steve Jobs and Bill Gates. You see, even though they spoke against each other occasionally and filed for lawsuits, both Jobs and Gates, they knew that there was a room for both Apple and Microsoft to coexist in the consumer market. Oftentimes, innovation leads to unhealthy competition, which leads to monopoly, and what sits on top of monopoly is the government. For instance, in order to show the public how dangerous the AC was to the DC, Edison subjected a caged dog to several shocks with increasing levels of direct current up to 1000 volts, which the dog survived. Then he applied 330 volts of alternating current, which killed the dog instantly. With this, Edison helped the New York State's authority to find a new way of executing prisoners using AC in an attempt to show how brutal it is. As young creatives, it is of utmost importance we checkmate our conscience, our intentions, our integrity, and reputation. We are here to bet a solution that should outlive us. If not checkmated, you will choose unhealthy competition instead of seeking to commercialize affordability and quality.